I am Amina Kanwal and I am here for you to work as virtual assistant. I am a management professional having experience of 3 years in my field of engineering and management. But my interaction with Microsoft Excel is from past 6 years. So, my services include Excel data entry, online-offline data entry, PDF to Excel data entry, internet research, data collection, data entry with analysis, any type of copy-paste work, as well as basic math or algebraic formulas, advanced formulation, sort and filters, pivot table and pivot charts, conditional formatting, charts representation, duplicate removals, data splitting, VLOOKUP, connected sheets, automated sheets, and any kind of data entry projects. So, just order me now. Contact me before ordering. You will have all these services in too much low cost.